Everyone has a role to play for nature. There's no path to 30 by 30 without a whole of society approach. Other effective conservation measures is one of the many well-recognized pathways to achieve results. In fact, OECM provide a bridge to achieving biodiversity gains along with community, cultural, and economic prosperity.
OECMs are not about introducing something new, adding an additional burden, but rather recognizing efforts that are diverse and include a diverse range of stakeholders, right the way from commercial agriculture to indigenous peoples.
The who counts comes before the what counts. So we talk about OECMs as part of this 30% global target, but it's kind of irrelevant unless you've got the right people involved.
We have an opportunity to really talk about what conservation means to us as Indigenous people on Native nations, because to us, we're a part of the whole thing. We're part of what I always call ecosystem relationships. We never separate it out. We're always responsible. We're stewards. We always have that concept because we're part of the whole. That's one of the advantages of talking about an OECM is that we're being very inclusive and it's inviting us in and it's allowing us to speak about our traditional ecological knowledge and really define what conservation means to us as Native nations now.
Companies at this stage are quite early on the nature agenda. This is a honeymoon sweet spot where there's interest and excitement and creativity and innovation on how they address nature before the pressures become a bit more constrained, which they need to.
OECMs recognize important conservation work that is already happening across the country. Working together with all of our partners to identify more OCMs will help Canada to reach our targets.